In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on Wix Jotform tutorial. We'll start by building a form in Jotform, then grab the embed code and finally place it right on your Wix website. This is a quick, reliable way to collect leads, bookings, or feedback without reinventing the wheel. First, head over to Jotform and open your workspace. On the main dashboard, click Create to start a new project, then choose Form. Using a template is the fastest route, so when you see the option, click Use Template. You'll land in the template library where you can browse categories or search for something that fits your purpose, like contact, registration, or application forms. Once you've found one that's close to what you need, click Use Template again to load it into the editor. Now customize the form to your liking. Update the title and descriptions so visitors immediately know what the form is for. Tweak field labels, change colors and fonts to match your brand, and set fields to required when you absolutely need that information. Keep your form concise. Short forms convert better. If you want to sort of fields, click Add Element and pick from options like short text, email, phone, dropdowns, or file uploads. As you edit, preview the form to ensure it's clear, scannable, and mobile friendly. When you're happy with the setup, it's time to make it shareable. Click Publish at the top of the Jotform editor. In the Publish options, choose Embed, then click Copy Code. This copies a small snippet of code that will display your live form wherever you paste it. Next, switch to your Wix website editor. On the left side, click the plus icon to add something to your page. Choose Embed Code, then select Embed HTML. A box will appear where you can insert custom code. Paste the code you copied from Jotform into the HTML field. Finally, click Update. You should see a live preview of your form right inside the Wix editor. That's it. The form is now embedded on your page and connected to Jotform. Any submissions will flow into your Jotform account, where you can view entries, set up notifications, and manage responses. If the form doesn't display right away, double check that you copied the entire embed code from Jotform and confirm you selected the HTML embed option in Wix. With this workflow, you can swap templates, adjust fields, or redesign the form later. Your Wix page will automatically reflect the changes.